Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We recently did a tutorial with Anna over on Inspire. It's a full 3-part series of her and Peter playing around in the studio. And we thought that over here on YouTube, where we normally just give you a snippet, we would give you pretty much all of part 2 of this 3-part series so you can see just how much detail Peter goes into over on Inspire. So here is that.
Okay, we're going to do our second look. It was originally going to be different, wet and that. Then Anna found stuff in our wardrobe and couldn't help herself. So I'm just going to, I love playing with these panel lights. I haven't done much with them. So I've only had them for a short time. So I just want to play with them. So a good thing about constant light, especially on a heavy overcast day, I have a lot more control because I can now see with my eyes just by moving things around. You can just see the difference I make on this. And I'm thinking really getting Anna to pop by putting 2 of these panels, one each side of her. I haven't made up my mind yet if I'm just going to run them at the same power or I'm going to run one heavier or one more into her face than the other. They're both at the same power at the moment. Well, I'm going to just come into them just to here. Yeah, see the catch light in her eyes is really cool. So I might try and get that catch light in tighter. Nice. What are we going to get there? Cool, cool. Might need to go down a bit further. Oh, Smurf. She's a Smurf. So let's come up to F8. Still going to be over, I think. I'm liking the background going darker too, so I might just keep. So let's come down to, so I'm on 800 ISO. Let's jump down to 400. It's giving me plenty of room now. In my mind thinking, well, I'm trying to set in. So I want to get down lower. So I definitely need to shoot down lower for a start. So if I get my height set up first. Do you want to go one step back? That's better, that's really cool. That's really cool. So she would have gone darker now. Yeah, that's about the height I want to shoot her. Now I want to make it edgier. If I have to, I will take the lights out in post. Yeah, because they're just on edge. I'm just going to bring one in at a time. It's cool, I'm liking that. So all I've done is now gone back to, yeah, cool. F6.3, it's just going over there. It puts me a little bit more in the background. Not sure if I'm loving it. So I'm gonna try this. So I've just swung the light to point more into Anna, which will turn up the power a lot. So I'm gonna come back up 7.1. Thinking I'm liking that a bit better. That's cool. I have to come back up to F8. Cool. It's nice, it's flat, it's boring. What are you laughing at? So I'm doing something completely different now. I'm going to bring it around to side lights. All I'm doing is playing. The whole idea of this is just me playing. That gives really, that's very much a more a metal-y look. Cool. Listen to her. You like it? All right, so what I'm thinking now is just want to dump a light from behind to silhouette her a bit. Might be putting 2, oh, that's a bit cool. It's a lot cool. I'm overcooking with that. I like the idea of it, just don't like the overcooking of it. One of the big problems in winter is the heater is always in my way, and so is the scrim. Everything's in my way. All right, so I'm pulling the light back a bit to turn down and try and get a softer glow on the hair and shoulder. Cool. Like pull some of it back. Yeah, I'm liking. I pull that off there. Cool. Liking now, whenever you put light this harsh it's always going to make skin rougher. So just it's something I'm aware of because we're running light across skin. So it's going to bring out imperfections. That's getting better, cool. I'm just trying to get this beautiful rimming happening on her. It's getting very close. It's coming from there. Cool. Can you feel that? Cool, because the heater's giving me the shits. Cables are giving me the shits. Everything's giving me the shits. Cool. All right, got my light turned down, got a heater in the background. Good. All right, I'm just using my eyes now to adjust some things. Right, so it's going to be the hair might cook, but I don't mind. Come back a fraction further. Cool, I like that, that's really cool. All right, tip on the arm, tip on the hair. I can live with those. I'm just going to turn up that a little bit. In fact, if I'm doing rock star type shots, I'm normally looking for a little bit of clipping on the outside edges, so I'm going to allow it to clip a little bit more. It's getting closer. The more I turn this light around, I just don't want to bring it any further forward. I'm just trying to make the intensity just a fraction stronger. Hardly changed. So I'm bringing it slightly forward, but I'm tilting the light more, the power to her back. They're tiny little changes. I'm now just going to turn the light up a tiny bit. So I'm just moving it in a fraction each time to turn the power up, because I want it to just on the edge get really close to clipping. It hasn't yet. So it might just throw some more power on that. There we go. I want it just to be, even though that clipping's well under, so it's most likely just sitting here. One channel's at 245. So I've got plenty of room there. Let's see if I just do my stuffer for a second. Do you like that? Is that too nasty?
No, I like it.
You like it? Now, I might completely stuff this, but it's really easy because I can turn it on and turn it off really easy. I've got a big white bounce board here. It's just at 5. I'm going to bounce onto there for a second, just to see if I add just a little bit of bounce flash into this. Cool. It added a lot too much. Let's kill that down by a lot. So I brought that from 5.5 to 2.5 because I really just after a very slight lift. Right, it's really subtle, but I like it. It's actually just popped the blacks up just a fraction, which allows my contrast to work even more. Right, what would I change? What would I change? Oh, she doesn't want anything changed, right? Mm-hmm. You happy with that?
Yeah.
You sure? Mm-hmm. All right. Now, you can't bring your arms out to the side, right? So you've got to stay in that center area there. Cool, splatitude. Nice. That's cool. This is typical rock band sort of lighting, but you like it, don't you?
So good.
So good?
Yeah, we never had this settings before.
For you?
Yeah.
Yeah, normally I do some male rock bands. I like males, I don't normally do on females, but this light is much softer on the skin than I expected. I thought it'd be much harsher on your skin with it running across, but it's actually cool. Cool, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. Now I think Anna's stepped slightly back, but that's fine. I think it's actually nicer now. It's wrapping just onto her face just a bit better. All right, it's up to you. This is looking cool.
Yeah.
I was just waiting for one more thing. What's the one request you think she'd be saying?
Fan?
See? Yeah, but you're going to start doing this stupid wiggling around. No, cool. I can give you a fan, but I don't want you trying to throw your hair, because then all you do is have great hair but a horrible face.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
But if you want some wind Do you want just blowing up the back, just flaring the hair out from behind?
Okay, you can try.
So you're not wiggling like you normally wiggle.
You're not allowed to do.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Anna's gonna love this, but I think this is too over the top, but I know Anna's gonna love it.
Yes!
Do you like it that big?
Maybe a little bit less.
Yeah. You don't have to lean back, you can just be normal, because I can move this. See, I can move it right in there. How's that looking, Beck? Or not enough? You think that's good? Cool, cool. Yeah, I think it needs does it need more? Excuse. Cool. Cool, cool. Nice, nice. That's cool. Cool, very nice. There we got the shot. That's the shot. I don't know about the fan. I'll try it maybe from the front, but I'm not sure. I think to me, it's a little bit uni student rock band. Yeah, so we get a little bit of fluff. That's cool. This is more, yeah, she's trying to already get the hair wiggling from side to side. I'll do a few like this and then they can have a look. Yeah, cool. Nice, nice. Cool, that's really cool. Nice, nice. The sunless has come up a little bit, so it's filled in our ambient lights more. See the difference? Angry Bird. I can fix that in post. Oh, yeah, the sun's going in and out, that's a problem. We've got the sun fully out now. Might just see, while the sun's out, let's kill this flash. So the sun's most likely giving me, cool. Cool. Yeah, the sun's giving me the fill light that I wanted. Yeah, so while that sun's out, I'll just not have the flash. Nice, that's cool, that's really cool. 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 Come this way a tiny bit. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Nice, cool. Yeah, I don't know if well, some of them are sort of all right. That sun coming out's annoying because, oh no, we're about the same there now. I think Anna might have slightly moved back too. But I'll just in post adjust these, that's really cool. Come up to me a little bit. Yeah. Bit further. About there. Cool. I don't know. Well, it's quite nice. Oh, she likes that. I thought she might like that. You like that? All right, so we're going to put half your face. We're going to do it with fan. Oh, yeah, you'll love the fan. That's really cool. That's really cool. Nice. So what Anna and I are doing, and this is pretty much back in the days when we actually had our editorial work, this is what editorial shoots went like. It was very much play until we got the shot, and a lot of them were not planned on. Like, that is really cool. And even with the hair blowing with this, it's actually cool too. Nice, 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 that's really cool. That's really pretty. Sneak up a tiny bit. Yeah, that's it, cool. That's really cool. Nice. Well, I think she might like that one too much. I think I might have to stop now. You reckon we got something?
I think so.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did and would love to support us over on Inspire, that would be great. You'll be able to see all of that because we don't really get that much support from YouTube. So you can go check out the full 3 parts and support us more over on Inspire. The link will be down below. And again, hope you enjoyed that.